YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy 392 John, and I'm back with another POV. And I was thinking to myself, like, man, I ain't dropped no POV in a minute, so y'all know I had to come back and cut up for y'all one time, man. But I ain't gonna waste too much time, man. We finna get active, finna hit a little Backroads and get y'all some of the exhausts. You know how I do. And yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all go ahead. Follow my IG, man. My IG is like really like the first. Y'all see the first hand everything on IG. So make sure you go on follow me on IG. I'm gonna have it right here, so y'all can see it on the screen, man. Y'all get early access to everything on my IG, man. I don't care if I'm getting some new tires, man. I don't care if I'm going to a car meet or something like that. Y'all gonna see it firsthand on IG, man. Then y'all gonna see it on YouTube. So follow my IG. I'm gonna have it right here on the bottom of the screen so y'all can see it and follow me. But yeah, man, we finna hit these Backroads. Let y'all hear that loud thing holler, man. And oh yeah, let's go and turn that L off. Let's go on. What y'all want, sport or track? I think we go track. Let's go. Let's do it. Y'all bear with me if these roads shaking, man, and if the camera's shaky. These roads fucked up in Alabama. Ooh. She's angry. Boy, if y'all can hear this bit in person, boy, and I ain't got shit but a muffler delete. Boy, that whole sound like I'm telling you, this whole sound way more than a muffler delete. I'm telling you, this bit gonna be crazy when I get this bit finally tuned and cats and all that. I'm telling this bit sound crazy. If y'all can hear this bit in person, boy, I'm talking about crazy. Hit on pause. Ooh! You gotta play with that pedal, man. I just learned that shit out this week, man. You gotta play with that pedal. Had that bitch tumbling and rumbling through traffic. That bitch sound like the battle of the bands in this bitch. I'm telling you. Damn, he turning that hole wide as fuck. God damn. Slow your roll, partner. 392 joint coming through. But yeah, man, this bitch be sounding like the battle of the bands coming through these Backroads. But Backroad action go crazy. I don't care. Telling Backroads go crazy. You really want to hear your exhaust, hit them Backroads. We're gonna bust that quick little lift. Let's do it. More Backroads. Let's go. Y'all see how bumpy these roads is, man? This shit crazy. Come on, dumbass. Dumbass see me coming. He gon' pull out it anyway. God damn. That's how accidents happen, man. You gotta be smart, bro. You see me coming, you gonna pull your big hap ass out anyway. God damn. But yeah, man, I ain't drove it been in a couple of days. This bitch so damn, boy, I'm telling you, this bitch ready to up and go. This bitch like a damn rocket ship. Yeah, man. Y'all drop down in the comments of what y'all want to see me more do, man. I know y'all love the POVs, man, so I try to bring y'all the POVs, but let me know other things y'all want to see, man. I know y'all, I had a couple legal pits on here, and I just don't want to do straight POVs all the time. I want to switch it up for y'all boys, man. Let me know what y'all want to see more, car meets or sliding videos or whatever, because I can pull up to a White House and go crazy slide for y'all. But y'all just let me know, man. Drop some ideas down in the comments, man. Let me know what y'all want to see besides POVs, because I ain't gonna lie, I know some of y'all do like the POVs, but sometimes I want to see other things too on the channel, man, besides POVs all the time. So y'all just let me know, and we can make it happen, man. I can pull up to a White House and slide, fuck the tires up, go buy some more, do it again. Y'all just let me know. And shoot, we do need some more tires, so that might be a potential video right there, because them bitches in the back getting a little ball. So we're gonna go on ahead, probably upgrade them soon, because I have been sliding a little bit, busting the little corners and shit, sliding at the little legal pit. But y'all just let me know, and we can go turn up at the White House, man. We can go turn up for sure. I know y'all hit on pause back there. I'm gonna drop the window for y'all a little bit so I can hear it a bit. I don't want to fuck up the audio though. I'm gonna drop it just a little bit. Red light caught us. God damn, boy. That motherfucker about to take me out. That bit all over the line. Hold that motherfucker in the road, nephew. Shit. Ooh, you hit a motherfucking pops back there. Motherfucker making goddamn popcorn back that bitch. Finna give y'all a little pull right here, man. Hopefully 12 ain't out there. We're gonna break that bitch down. Had to slow that bit down. 12 be on the road. And that was like, that wasn't even full throttle, man. I swear to God. That was like 45% throttle. Telling you, man, go get you a Scat. It be fun as fuck. May not be the fastest thing on the road, but I'm damn, but you gonna have you some fun in this bitch. And this bitch get up too now. Don't play with it now. you damn sure gonna have some fun in this bitch. Motherfucker sound too good, man. But yeah, man, we coming to the end of the video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. If y'all get this video to where I want it to be, man, we'll go crazy as fuck. We'll go YSL Woody crazy. And if you know, you know. YSL Woody was driving that cat like he stole that bitch. But yeah, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Follow the IG. I'm going to have it right here on the bottom of the screen, man. Y'all just let me know what y'all want to see new. And yeah, man, I'm gone. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.